Welcome to online banking with SF Police Credit Union. To enroll, you'll need the following: your SFPCU member number, which is located on the top of your statement. If you don't have a statement, call us at 800-222-1391 or visit a branch for assistance. You'll also need the last 4 digits of your Social Security number and your zip code. Finally, you'll need to be using a compatible web browser. If you're not sure what browser you're using, visit sfpcu.org/browser check. Do you have everything you need? Head to sfpcu.org and click the link in the upper right-hand corner that says Not a Current Online Banking User. On the enrollment page, you'll be asked for your member number, Social Security number, and zip code. This is also where you'll create your login ID. This is the username you will use to log into online banking, so make sure it's something you can remember. You can use letters or numbers to create your username, but remember, no symbols. When you're ready, hit the Continue button. Select where you want your secure access code to be delivered. It can be sent by text, phone call, or email. Now enter your new password. For the most secure password possible, follow the guidelines on the screen. Press Submit when you're done. Be sure to double-check your contact information. It's really important that this information is current because this is how we'll contact you if you need assistance. When you're done, hit Submit Profile. Review the online banking PDF, then click I accept. If you need help with an online banking, click on the Help link. Don't forget, you can also download our mobile app in the App Store or Google Play. That way you can log in easily with Touch ID. You're in. Now you can explore everything our online banking system has to offer.